So as an affiliate, here's the problem. I want to send people to an offer page, right? I want to earn some affiliate commissions. Now, let's say this is the offer page. We've got here affiliate cash overflow, early bird, crazy no-brainer deal. So I want to tell my list about it, but I don't want to do what a lot of people do and just send an affiliate link to them. What I want to do is I want to put my affiliate promo video and put it on top. That would be ideal, on top of the offer page. Now, you can't really do that. And the alternative is to build a bridge page or some other kind of page that you kind of have a video there, tell people about the offer and then tell them to click the button to continue through the offer. But I don't want to waste time building a bridge page. It takes a lot of time, a lot of content. I just want to make a quick video, or I want to find a quick relevant video for my audience. And I want the viewers to see that video before they land on the offer page. So ideally, what we want to do, we've got our offer page here. We want to put a video sitting on top of that offer page, and I'm going to call it affiliate cash overlay, like an overfloating. How do we do that? Well, we can do it, and it is super cool. It is an absolute game changer for any affiliate that uses even the slightest amount of video in their promotion. It's a productivity hack, and it is super cool. So let's have a look at how we do this. I'm inside of WordPress admin. I'm not going to pages and post. I don't want to build a bridge page. It takes too long. I'm going to affiliate cash overlay, click create new overlay. I'm going to give it a name here. So for this one, you just put the product name that you're promoting. I'm using the same product here. I don't want any distractions here. I put in my affiliate link here. We've got a URL slug here. This can be anything you like. Let's come back to that. I'm going to click continue, and now the absolutely crazy awesomeness begins. It's asking for a destination screenshot. So this is where I'm sending people. This is like where your affiliate link destination is, and all we need to do is grab a screenshot. You could do that screenshot on a Mac or a PC. You can do it for free, and there's tools to do it as well, but I'm just snapping a screenshot there. Let's go ahead here and upload it, select it from here. There's my screenshot, and it's giving me a preview straight away of what it's going to look like. Now, it's also got these quick picks here, which is super awesome. Let's come back to that in a moment. And now we just pop in our promotion video. If you're into marketing, maybe you just want to be the last person to put a thought in your audience mind before they go through. If you're more of a relational person, maybe you want to just say, hey, thank you so much for clicking through my link or buying through my link. Or if you're giving away bonuses, you might want to say, hey, you're going to be getting these bonuses and here's a password, or whatever you want to do. We want to put that video right here. Now that video could be coming from YouTube, it could be from Vimeo, it could be a direct video file, could be a video stream. Let's just paste it in there, and there's my video ready to go. I'm just going to change the color here. I'm going to change the color here to match the offer page, which is a super cool tip to do. And this is crazy cool. We've got the preview play option. I'm going to show you what that actually does in a moment. And let's just click next. I don't need to put any advanced stuff here. I'm going to click create. And here you go. In about a minute, we've created an affiliate cash overlay. Let's take a look at it here. And it looks like we're on the offer page here already. If you look at the background here, and there's our video, and you can see it's playing in preview mode. Now, if you've seen any of the top marketers doing video online, when you land on the offer page, they'll have that video playing in silent mode, and the play button will be visible. They might even have some text there that say it's muted, click here to play. Well, this has all of that built into it. So it's telling me, hey, this video is playing, click play to listen. I'm going to click play. And I'm listening to the video. If I listen to the video until the end, it's going to automatically take the video off and put me on the offer page. So I'm already there. I don't have to click anything. Now, with this being an overlay, we want them to have the opportunity to also close the video without having to watch the video. They go ahead and click the close overlay button. Through your affiliate link, we're on the offer page. That's the affiliate cache overlay. And back inside of admin here, and as time goes, let me just duplicate a couple and pretend that we've been creating multiple ones of these. You can go in here, you can make any changes you like right from here. We've got the background, so when I go to the background here, we can see the preview of the overlay here, and you can create different kind of fields. You can even have it as clear where your video literally just looks like it's on the offer page. Let's take a look at what that looks like. I'm going to choose update to save changes. Let's open up the offer page again. And you can see here, my video is loading up here. Once again, we can play it or we can close it to continue through the offer page. And it looks like we're already on the offer page, which is super awesome. So by using affiliate cache overlay, not only are you going to save a bunch of time from having to create complicated bridge pages and landing pages, but you can create this awesome effect of having your video as part of the offer page, even though that's on your own website, which is actually a plus, because now instead of using an affiliate link to promote this offer, I'm just going to be using the affiliate cache overlay link. So right now, for an extremely limited time, I am almost giving away this tool for pennies on the dollar, and you can pick up this tool on this page. Now, when you go through and buy that tool, you're going to be going through the checkout process. You'll come through to the other side. I've got another video there, and we'll get you into the members area and get your private access set up immediately so that you can download this tool right now and start using it right away. I've also got other videos there to get you up and running with using affiliate overlays with your promotion, including a quick start guide, and we've also got full support. Now, this tool it's extremely easy to use, and installing it is just like installing any other WordPress plugin. But if you do get stuck for any reason, then there's full support, and we'll actually go ahead and install this for you at no extra charge. So right now, for an extremely limited time, it's a small window, I'm almost giving this tool away, and your first affiliate commission is already going to pay for this tool many times over. Now, I'm going to put the details below this video for you to get your access. Quick reminder, it is limited time, and once the price goes up, the price is going to be staying up. So make sure you grab it right now. I'm Matthew McDonald. I'm the creator of this new affiliate cache overlay. I'm super excited about it. It's a massive time saver. And if you want to pick it up today, you're going to get the absolute best deal. I really don't want you to miss out on it. And I'm going to see you on the other side in the next video in just a moment.